Hi there, first grade. Today we're going to look at past and present still, but we're going to look closer at communities. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch this video. It's just a book, and it shows you how things were done then versus now in a community. So you'll click that link in the description below to watch that. And then now let's go ahead and look at our page. So it says a community is a place where people live. In some ways, communities haven't changed. They have places to live, places to work, and places to buy things. So this is a community in Pasadena, California in 1885. This is a very long time ago. People used horses for transportation. So if you wanted to go to the store, you had to use a horse and a carriage. Transportation moved people and goods from one place to another. Travel was very slow, so you could not go fast. The community had stores and homes. Some people lived far from stores, and some people lived nearby. Most people wrote letters when they wanted to communicate. Communication is using words or sounds to share ideas. Very few people had telephones. You can see the woman here writing a letter. It said this is now the community in Pasadena, California in the present, today. The community still has stores where people can buy things. People use cars and buses for transportation now instead of horses. Travel is very fast, and many people go places every day, whereas you might have only went somewhere once a week if you lived back then. People mostly use phone and email to communicate. Text messaging, we have video chat now. There's lots of different things we can use to communicate. So you think about how are they different from long ago, and then you're going to go to your packet. This is what you did yesterday. So the first thing you're going to do is do your Venn diagram, just like how you did yesterday. And you're going to tell me two things from the past, two things from the present, and two things that they both have in common. And just do bullet points to organize your thoughts. And then you're going to move on to the second page, which is just a few multiple choice questions. What did people use for transportation in the past? How did people communicate with each other in the past? Did they live far away from each other? So remember, this is the past. So you have to think back then. What did we read about? What did they use to communicate? Could they use a telephone back then? Not really, because most people, they didn't have it. And a computer, definitely not. They did not have computers yet. And they did have letters, so that was a way they communicated. Would email be a past or present form of communication? So would somebody a long time ago be able to send an email to communicate? Nope, so that would definitely be a present type of communication. Okay, and that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed.